Akubambi video mntana esikole ungafeli. If you want to grade 9, 10, 11, 12, make sure that you watch this video of Euclidean geometry. Now, Euclidean geometry, I told you, this is all it deals with shapes, triangles, straight line, angles. That is Euclidean geometry. Now, look at this, guys. Here, they gave us a triangle, but now they've extended the triangle by following a line, by extend this triangle. Now, since they've extended this triangle, now there's a rule or there's a theorem that we need to follow. Now, theorem noma rule emele silandele ithi, can you see this Z? This Z is external, is exterior, is outside the triangle, right? So the Z is exterior or outside the triangle. We say this is an exterior angle of a triangle. So Z, the angle, this angle Z. Angle Z is an exterior angle of a triangle. Why? Because it's an angle that lies outside the triangle. We call it an exterior angle of a triangle. But what do we know about exterior angle of triangles? So the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of the interior angles, or the sum of the opposite interior angles. Listen to me very carefully. The exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Meaning that if I want Z, I can say Z is equals to X plus Y. The exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the opposite interior angles. Angle Z is equals to angle X plus angle Y. That is a rule. Then when we write it down, the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the opposite interior angle. Sharp, sharp. Now, let's just make an example. E.g. Now, let's just write a triangle like this and extend the triangle. And then let me just give you and say, we want this Z. Then let me just give you and say this is 56. This is 61. For an example, 61 degrees. Now, look at what is happening here. They say find the value of Z. Now, they say find the value, the exterior angle of a triangle. They say find the value of Z. Now, how are we going to find the value of Z? We follow the principle by saying, but we know that Z is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles, meaning Z is equal to 56 degrees plus the 61 degree. Now, this one, you take your calculator and put this into your calculator. And what are you going to get? You are going to get 117, meaning that a Z is equals to 117 degrees. Because we understand that Z is the sum of the two opposite interior angles, meaning Z is equals to 117. That's how we do it. Let me just give you your own so that you see whether you understand it. Now, let me just give you your own and say, this is a triangle. I extend this triangle. But now, look at this. I'm giving you Z. I'm saying Z as 125 degrees. Let me give you the value of X and say X is equals to, let me just give you the value of X and say X is equals to 55. Yes, 55. Then I say Y. Then I say find the value of Y. Then I say this is 3 marks. On the comment section, please find me the value of Y. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you comment that you want more videos on Euclidean geometry and tell me which grade are you in and recommend these videos to your friends. Thank you very much. Sharp, sharp.